How's about a 69 Chevelle with a 427 and a 4-speed frame-off restored convertible? But here it is. Hey, I'm Jay Grams here at the Volo Auto Museum. Go to volocars.com to see the specs and pricing on this car and a few hundred others. They're all for sale. We have photos from the top to the bottom, full descriptions. So that's volocars.com. We have financing. We can ship a car anywhere in the world. And we have a whole staff of people here that are willing and able to help you get your dream car. So whatever questions or concerns you have, give us a shout. Let us know. That's what we do. But for now, let's take this for a spin. Beautiful car. It's got 1,300 miles on a body off the frame restoration. Check out our pictures underneath. It's all done underside and beautiful. Laser straight body. Black paint is polished out like glass, like a mirror. Black with the white stripes. Stunning combination. Wheels are restored correctly. It's a gray and silver with new trim. Tires look new. Has a black manual convertible top that's new. I just put it down. All the trim back here looks new. It's got a nice clean trunk. Got a rally wheel spare. Got a jack. All painted nice. The interior has all been replaced. The seat backs, the headrests, door panels, rosewood deluxe wheel. It has the gauge package with the tachometer. Looks like a retro stereo, so it looks original, but it's a stereo. With that big engine and the wind blowing, you're not going to hear much of that anyway. Super Sport embroidered floor mats. And it is a real 427. We've run the casting codes and the codes on the front of the motor. It is a 69 427, so it's actually dated for this car. It has an aftermarket high-rise intake with a dual-feed Holley, HEI ignition. It's got headers, power steering, power disc brakes. Everything looks proper, fan shroud. Alternator looks new. Wiper motor looks new. Yeah, real nice car. We'll fire it up here. You hear how it sounds. And it sounds good. The visors, the mirror, the dash pad, all new. The glove box door is painted gloss black. Got an owner's manual. It's a North Carolina car. That's where I bought it. Yeah, that sounds sweet. 1,352 miles are on it since it's been done. Now, why aren't you getting to the phone and calling us right now? 427 Chevelle convertible 4-speed. Come on. This thing is awesome. I'd love to be out tooling around in this. Unfortunately, I have to work today. So go to volocars.com, get all the pricing and specs. Let us know how we can help you, whether it's this car or one of the other fantastic cars on our website. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're going to keep cranking out some great videos. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.